This squirrel is arming herself. It's a California ground squirrel, and she's found a snake skin. She's chewing it into a paste, which she then rubs into her fur, especially her tail. She now stinks of snake. She lives in a colony that extends across a wide expanse of prairie. There is one downside to this neighbourhood. It's in the middle of rattlesnake country. Not good when you have young to raise. A rattlesnake hidden right next to their burrow. They both investigate, but what can they do? Kicking stones only provokes the snake. Rattlesnakes sense prey by the heat they give off, and the squirrel is able to take advantage of this. She heats up her tail with warm blood. Waving it at the snake is a threat. It makes her look much larger than she is. And the scent of rattler on her fluffed tail intimidates the snake. It decides to retreat. The mother decides that this part of the neighbourhood is too dangerous and moves her young to new quarters. With luck, this may be a safer place to raise a family.